Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome to the final hour today, September 22nd, 2022. It's Thursday. The markets, these as far as the indexes go, don't have a lot really to talk about. I mean, the Dow is off a point, it's off 10 points, it's hanging around. It's been fluctuating up and down here, but it's going nowhere at the moment. S&P down 19 and a half points. The Nasdaq is off 134. And that's 1.2%, and that has been consistently lower all day long. NASDAQ has been down uh, under 11,100 here all day long. So the other two are well, especially the Dow has been really wishy-washy, but we're not going very far. Unbelievable. GameStop, what a ride. We've been dropping here. We started with a little dip at the beginning, and then it's been a slow, steady drop. We've had the odd recovery attempt, drop, a little recovery attempt, drop. Here we are at the moment at 25.04. The low now has been 24.55. This is the largest recovery attempt on the stock since it hit its low, but I don't even know if it's going to be able to hold 25. It might go right back down again and go even lower. The volume on GameStop now for the day, 3.1 million shares. That's a nothing burger. 750,000 pre-split, basically. Very quiet. 24.38 is the low, and it's 25.06 at the moment. The high of the day, 27.27. Yesterday's high, 28.99 was yesterday's high, and this stock had been resisting a pullback for several days while the rest of the market was slumping. Now GameStop is catching up. The Dow's up 6.5. GameStop is down right now 180. Apple down 71 cents, 153.01. SoFi down 28 to 540. Rocket Lab down 54 to 438. HPQ down 16 to 25.84. AMC and Ape shares combined down $1.08. That's $11.50 now for those shares and preferreds together. My God, that was a $27 deal when they announced this, and they were at the height of it's just about to be dividended out. Those preferreds were going to go out there. It was going to just shake up the world. Didn't happen. Oh my God. ME down 16.5. Matterport down 11 cents, 11.5. ATIP down 4.5. SmartRent down 22 today, giving back those gains from yesterday. Spire down a penny to 113. Cyxtera down 12 cents. Bed Bath Beyond down 9. Tesla is down 11.49 today to 289 a share. We have Pfizer down 97 cents to 44.80. Sorry, Pfizer's up 97 cents to 44.89. There is some kind of approval for one of their treatments. Pfizer and BioNTech have filed for approval of a second bivalent COVID-19 vaccine in Switzerland. You understand what that means? Some kind of drug they've been making looks pretty good, and they're filing for approval to distribute it. Okay, very good. And then Pfizer to supply up to 6 million treatment courses of COVID drug Paxlovid to Global Fund. I'm guessing that's a good thing. So there you go. There's some good news out there on Pfizer, and it's up 95 cents. That's the bottom line. Maybe writing 46s might be a good idea. Writing $46 options against the stock for next Friday, the Friday after, might be all right. Boeing down 376. Cisco down 24 cents. Twitter's up 24. Home Depot's down 117. Let's see. Robinhood was up this morning over $10. It's now, or was it better than that? Robinhood got up to 11.10 today. 9.76 right now. It's off 15 cents on the day. VanEck down 457 to 196 on that ETF. The IBM is up 131. Microsoft holding a gain of 338. Goldman down $6.39. Google up $1. Amazon down 90. Meta up 189. Here's a couple of quotes for you. 43-point gain on the Dow. This might be the best level of the day for the Dow Jones. I don't know if it's going anywhere. I really am not so sure of that. Thank you all for being here. Boo Desi said, I wrote this morning. I wrote a WYNN this morning for $3.75 and bought it back for $2.71. People are making money writing options around here. And let's see. Coyote saying birthday, Bruce, happy birthday. What is up? Thank you for the birthday wishes, everybody. And Coyote, I have a confession. I messed up today when buying back my covered calls. I accidentally bought a one-way ticket to Libation Station. No refunds. What can you do? It was a stink bid though, so I'm not too upset. Libation Station. David, hey, Uncle Bruce, if you had two contracts available to write for GameStop, would you be writing for a higher pop right now or shoot for 1 to 2 weeks around $27? What do you think? Well, they dropped to 24.55 about a half an hour ago, 40 minutes, and now the shares are at 25. So I'd be looking at 26s and 27s for the next 1 or 2 weeks out. Yeah, best premium I could get is what I'd be looking at right now. Brian is a new member of this channel. Brian, thank you for coming in, chilling with Uncle Bruce. Member, good to have you here. You are able to join us now and start throwing some messages around. This is good stuff. Nice to have you here, H. Gregory. I am thumbs up number 39. Thank you, all of you guys who are hitting the thumbs up button. 48 are here. We need 52 more to make it to 100 for this show. Please get me to 100 thumbs ups if you could, folks. Help me out. Hit that thumbs up right now. Hit that thumbs up button. Mirko, welcome, Brian. That's it. You want to hear something funny? Alberto is asking. I called Fidelity trying to buy my covered calls and locked out. They stated having issues with processing my transactions. What's with these guys? This is ridiculous. Christina, I haven't written yet. Anyone writing again? I know we aren't supposed to be afraid of the upside, but this went low. I'm transferring everything, Alberto. I'm getting the hell out of there. Tiff, bought back 3 HPQ 27s I sold yesterday with a 50% profit. Where are these profits being made anywhere else on YouTube stations? Are there other channels where you're making this kind of money consistently? I don't think so. Welcome one, welcome all to the show. Nice going, you guys. Sell my house fast in Upper Marlboro, MD. I'm number 41 on the thumbs up. Brian is saying, guys, I'm a long-time lurker, first-time covered call profiteer. Right on. Welcome to the party, pal. Welcome to the party room. I'm glad you're here. Make some money. I hope you're taking the classes and you're learning a lot. Nice to have you around. Wing Commander, Christina, these 25s don't look so stupid now. Did you buy yours back? Bama's babe is here. Christina sitting out today, except for stocks that stayed even or went up. David, welcome, Brian. Wing Commander, Uncle Bruce, I am popping a beer in your honor. Richard Garland, neat, Brian. Oh, happy birthday, Uncle Bruce. My membership is your present today. Thanks for welcoming me. You got it, buddy. Thanks for coming around here. And nice to see you joining the party. Brian, how sweet, says Bama, babe, Tiff, or Christina. I wrote again on my deep in the money HPQ. Don't want them to be unprotected in case we drop more. If I have to roll, I have to roll. Exactly. Coyote Brian, welcome to the party, pal. DQ number 47. Wing Commander brought back my 28s for September the 30th for, I guess that's 40 cents each. Sold them for $2.12. That's better than 50%, isn't it? That's like 80% profit. That's beautiful. Brian, thank you. I told Bruce whenever I make some money on a covered call, I would become a member. I bought back my first covered call today. Stink bid to buy back at 26 cents. Nice going, Brian. Scoring that sucker. I sold a GameStop September 30 strike for $1.40 about 2 weeks ago. Bought them back for 26 cents. That's an 80% return. Not bad at all. Brian, well done, says Coyote. Mirko, GameStop dropped even lower. Bought 100 today at 24.41. Low of the day, 24.38. Nice going. We are right now at 25.05 with the low of 24.38. Is exactly right. The Dow is up 34 points. S&P down 15. NASDAQ down 117 points. Oil up 53 cents. Lame duck. I am thumbs up number 56, Bruce. The thumbs ups are coming in. Constantine, Uncle Bruce, I'm up 30% on GameStop covered call. Should I buy back or wait? I don't know the strike. I don't know how long it has to run. I don't know what you sold it for, so I can't tell you. Christina, Wing, I bought back everything. All my stink bids hit today. Bama, babe, Tiff, same for me. FL, Uncle Bruce is back online and the markets recover. Alberto, Christina, loving that GameStop dip. I swear this man has taught me patience. Brian, thanks, Coyote. Hawkeye, welcome. Brian, you have found this place. Yes, H. Gregory. TQQQ oversold. I bought 200 shares around 22.50. Brian, Hawkeye, I found this place like 2 years ago. Christina, I made $7,000 this week on my covered calls. Nice going, Christina. Helps pay for those. Helps buy that house you're sitting in, right? H. Gregory wrote covered calls for 23.50 for 9.30 for 85 cents. Interesting. We're at 25.04 at the moment. Let's go. Michael, hope that person got out of their 25s. Christina, awesome. Brian, Alberto, Christina, you sniper, you. Michael, forgot who it was. Forget who it was. Tiff, I am thinking about doing poor man cover call on GameStop. It isn't easy to find a call within the 90-10 rule. That is the question, and that's the catch with GameStop. You might not be able to get a covered call at that 90-10 rule that I keep telling you about. You don't want to pay more than that. You really have to be picky about it. And so just be patient, picky. If you can afford 100 shares, buy the stock, write calls, do what you got to do. Coyote, I wrote 25, September 30 expiry on GameStop last week for $3.90. I bought them back for $1.16 today when the stock dipped to $24.50. Nice job. A profit is a profit. That's a good one. That's a nice hit. Brian, the only issue is that the fees are $11.20 per buy or sell. So overall, I made a $91.60, and this was very conservative when I sold the covered call. It's your broker obviously charging you quite a fee. You may want to shop around for a cheaper platform site, but again, I don't know your circumstances, Brian, but I'd like to see you making money. Blair, I have to wait for maybe 12 days until I can buy my 100 GameStop, and right there with y'all. Coyote, Christina, well done. Alberto, my grandson made $112. He left class to call me. He owes uncle $11. Laugh out loud. He's got to send Uncle Bruce 10% of the profits. That's hilarious. Is that great? Making money from school. Smart. In the meantime, good work to all that have already had enough dough for a lovely stock. Coyote, poor man covered call. GameStop, Jan 25 10s for $16.50 right now. So, yeah, they're worth $15. That's not bad. $16.50. That's kind of right in there. Not bad. H. Greg, $5 strike for Jan 24. GameStop is within the rules, but cost almost the same as 100 shares. You might as well just buy the stock. Hawkeye, right there with you, Brian. Yep, Jan 21s. Good stuff, everybody. Yeah, that's fun. We're up 51 on the Dow right now. Apple is down 11 cents. It's recovered quite a bit. Apple this morning was as low as 150.91. We're at 153.61 on Apple. GameStop 25.04, down 182 right here. We've got SoFi at 542, down 28 cents. We got Rocket Lab down 53 cents today, early taking a hit, 439. HPQ 25.91, down 8 right there. Beach Boy, what is going on? Beach Boy, here is a 300 shekel super chat. Happy birthday, Uncle B. You told me to write 126s at 117. I disobeyed, and I went 1 week further out for 134 so I can afford a birthday present, you know? If you got them done, did you write them? I hope you got them written. Nice going, buddy. Making money today and making it happen. And thank you for that donation. And that 300 shekels, that's about 100 American dollars. That's pretty good. Thank you very, very much. Zach, number 65, happy birthday, Bruce, and to Alberto. Hope you're having a wonderful day. It's Alberto's birthday today, too. Wing Commander, Uncle Bruce, thoughts on strike, $26, 930s. These are 89 to 101. 7 Octobers are 115 to 145. Kind of like Octobers. Don't mind the Septembers. Don't mind them, but I wouldn't want you to hit that bid. You'd want to be at the offer, around maybe at 99 cents or something like that. Stink offer them. But the Octobers, if you can get 144 or 143 for those, that would be a nice little premium for October 10s. Keep an eye on it. If the stock jumps 10 cents from here, it goes to 25.13, 25.20, then you can lift these higher. You might put a stink offer in on those September 30s at 109 or 114. The 710s, if you're going to write those, the stock pops up 15, 20 cents. You're going to write those maybe at 159, 164. I'm going to stink offer them up there, see if they come and get you. Alberto Speech Point, that is the way. Good job. Brian, I have a question. Just purchased a month of subscription. Does this automatically renew, or do I have to subscribe every month? Thanks in advance. I don't know the status of what you have at YouTube. This is a YouTube thing. I don't charge you this money. I don't collect it. YouTube does all of it. So look at your YouTube settings, and it'll probably tell you whether you're on an automatic, or it might even offer you the opportunity to make it renewable or not. You got to check that out. Tiff Coyote, thank you. Mirko, Brian, where are you located? If you are not in the US, take a look at Interactive Brokers, cover calls, buy, sell, 70 cents a transaction. Tiff, Brian, I think it depends on your settings. For me, it renews automatically. David, happy birthday, Uncle B. Beach Boy, yep, wrote 115 of them for October 7th. Right on, right on. Okay. All right, Christina, here's my issue. I can't sell 26 for next week. That's what I just bought back 2 hours ago. Laugh out loud. Oh, no, the blackboard is cleared off now. There's no memory. And now we look and write again. We take a look at our next move. Brian, I am not sure if there's anything I can do about the fees. My shares are out of the RESP account with my bank. I just need to keep in mind the fees when I am selling and buying. There you go. Wing Commander just got hit at 144 while you were talking. Sold 4 covered calls. Right on. DQ. Brian, you set that. You set that with Uncle Bruce again on the YouTube level. Brian, I'm in Calgary, just around the corner from Uncle B, a fellow Calgarian. Rock and roll. Wing Commander. Did I do the stink ask correctly? Yes, selling at 144, 149, 154, 159, always 1 penny below the nice round number, always. Yes. Constantine Ungrus, I sold a cover call for next week, a $27 call, 30% as of now, buyback or wait. I just wait around. The stock is falling again. We're not going anywhere. The volume isn't there. We're not even going to trade 1 million shares today, pre-split. We could go to 22. We could go to 18. Guys, this isn't the magical support level. Everyone was watching this the other day. We're all wondering, is it even going to go under 27 or under 28? And now it's gone into the 24s. There is no support for this stock that I'm aware of at this time. So look, you've got to write out of the money calls for a nice premium, short-term time frame, 1 or 2 weeks. That is the deal. Always be writing. You can always do a rollover if the stock wants to take a shot. You and I all know this stock could go to 28.50 tomorrow. Could for 15 minutes. And if you're quick enough, you might be able to do a rollover where you can roll up into a higher strike for a higher premium, bring in more money, and then watch it back off again and score again. Or it could go straight down to 22 by tomorrow morning. I mean, we're not going anywhere. Do not fear the upside. DQ, Brian, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to locate and destroy the Yoko Ono album. You're in town. You're in Calgary. You got to find that thing. Dude, sold some 25.50 covered calls on GameStop for 9.30 at 120. I'll take that, he says. Right on. Right on. Out of the money right now by 49 cents, $1.20 depreciation to be enjoyed in 8 days. These are out of the money. They're worthless. Look at that. Okay, Brian, DQ, I have been hoping for a window shot from Bruce so I can see his surroundings like he was doing when he was in Europe. Then I can pinpoint his location to dispose of Yoko. Jennifer, I fell below the day trade minimum equity with everything falling today, and I now can't trade. This is weird stuff. You should be able to close out option positions. There should be no rule for that. I don't understand what's going on there. Again, it's all different brokerage firms with different rules. I can't comment. I really don't know. SoFi is killing me, FL is saying. 542 down 27. The low on SoFi today has been 536 with 34 million traded. What can I say? What else have we got? Rocket Lab down 52. That one is really off. Down to 439.5. HPQ down just a nickel. It's coming back on. HPQ got down to 25.69. It's now 25.95. The Warren Buffett people bought $4 billion of this stuff at 38 to 39 a share. And it's trading at 4.6 times earnings right now. Unbelievably cheap. But when the market turns it around, it'll turn it around. AMC and Ape shares are off over $1 now. Again, really getting crushed. ME down 15, Matterport down a dime, ATIP, it's down 2 cents to 108. It got down to 105.2. It's recovered a bit. Smart Rent down 20 to 250. It was below that. It was at 247 for the low. Now 250 on Smart Rent. Spire unchanged. Cyxtera down only 9 cents now. Cyxtera has recovered from a low of 429, which is the low of all time for this stock. It's now 447. Interesting. Bed Bath Beyond down 13. Tesla down 1130 to 289 right now. Unreal movement today. But then this is typical for Tesla. It can move 10, 15 bucks a day. And that's what it's doing. 289.07 on Tesla. Pfizer up, still up, but only up 76 now. Boeing down 386. Cisco down 34. Twitter is up 14 cents. Home Depot down 232. Carvana down 338. Robinhood down 20. Vanik down 448 to 196.24. IBM holding a 116 gain. Microsoft up 325 to 242 a share. Goldman down 719 to 313. Google up $1.07. Amazon down 89 cents. Meta Platforms down, make that up 166. BlackBerry down 18. Royal Caribbean up 46 cents. What else we got going here? U.S. Steel down 32 cents to 19.54. Target down 5.43. J.P. Morgan down 73. Costco down 4.82. Walmart down 1.22. Nvidia down 6. American Airlines down 53 cents to 12.70. American Airlines was 14.5 a few days ago. Netflix up a buck. Moderna down 96 cents to 124.80. There we have it. The market right now mixed with a 13-point gain on the Dow Jones, but we're off on S&P and we're off on NASDAQ. S&P down 15, NASDAQ down 104. FedEx is planning up to $2.7 billion in cost cuts and will raise shipping rates. Is that a sign of a slowing American economy? Yes, it is. When FedEx, that moves packages for everybody, is cutting costs and is going to raise rates at the same time, we are talking trouble in River City here, kids. This is a sign of a slowing U.S. economy in many, many areas. Wing Commander, Uncle Bruce, last question. Should I get out of my 930.25s? They're 135.45. I sold them for 424. Well, they're out of the money now with the stock at 24.80. I would say I would look at maybe stink bidding them back. It's possible you could try like 106 today. Maybe you get lucky at 106 and you'll scoop them. Tiff, Stink asks, set for GameStop, Jan 25 10s. Let's wait and see. DQ, Brian, just go outside during the Steelers game tonight. You will be able to hear Jen. Jennifer, I closed them. I just can't rewrite. Oh, that's what they're doing. This is weird. Me too. So Jennifer Ransing, me too. Options Nomads, number 77, thumbs ups. Alex, evening all, number 75, bought another 100 SoFi earlier today. Brian, laugh out loud, DQ. Calgary is quite spread out. I think the only way I could hear Jen if she played the Yoko album. Neat, Alex. Tiff, I got your email. I'll be in touch. Thank you. Financial Mischief. I've pulled in $2,800 in profits on SoFi calls today. Right on, DQ. Brian, you don't know Jen and the Steelers. You don't know. JG, hey y'all. What are y'all up for writing against? What are y'all writing against SoFi? Tiff, Alex, great. Looking forward to it. Jennifer, I sold 650 SoFi calls last week, and they're up 90% right now. DQ, level, I just made a quick 500 flipping Cisco covered call. Sold them at 10 a.m. Stink buyback just hit. Coyote, Jennifer, jeez, nice. Jennifer, they expire tomorrow, so I'm just going to let them go and collect 100% of the premium. Inachiro, thank you for this donation. AMD, good long play now. What do you think? I honestly don't know. I don't know. I don't follow AMD, so I can't give you an opinion on it. I'm just looking at the markets overall, and they're weaker, but I don't know the story on AMD. That one is out of my expertise area. Michael, why risk 10% on a run up though? Coyote, Jennifer, bid in for 1 cent or 5, 6 cents. Lock them up so that if SoFi has a rally tomorrow, you can be ready to write again and do that again. Who cares? DQ, how many contracts are you working on Cisco at a time? FL, I'm not writing on SoFi quite just yet. Not sure where to get it. Duration and strike. My cost basis is around 5, so it's not an issue. Coyote JG, not writing on it today, but I had written 6s and 5.5s for this Friday and next Friday. Bought them all back yesterday and today. Nick, is Uncle Bruce even in Calgary? Do you really think he's been wearing a t-shirt in this weather? I mean, really? A DQ, who cares? That was 50, which is just part of my position. JG, good move, Coyote. Tiff, AMD PE is 29, and that's a bit high. Jen Doe, happy birthday, Uncle Bruce. Thank you, Jen Doe, and everybody. Chris Savage, happy birthday, Uncle B. I'm just glad you guys are making money on my birthday. This is good stuff. I just love it when you guys are scoring deals here. 24.81 on GameStop is where we're at here. We're under 25 yet again. The low is 24.38. The high was 27.27, and we're at 24.85.86 right now. A lot of you have made some dough today and yesterday, and I'm really pleased with all that. And it's been a good couple of weeks around here, making it from all over, all kinds of angles. So I love this. Thank you for taking the classes and getting better at it and hanging around here. Let's see what else. Hey, Uncle B from Lobo Blast, how you doing? What's going on? Welcome. Bartman, I hadn't looked at AMD in a while. Holy cow, sub 70. Coyote, JG, thanks. I didn't think it would dip this far, but I'm happy with the results. And that's the thing. Stocks go down faster than they go up. Sometimes they go down in a vicious way, and you've got to be able to take advantage of this. You got to be writing and be ready to pounce. Absolutely. Cheers to all of you out there. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Also, Alberto, happy birthday to you today. It's both our birthdays. Well done, everyone. Making some dough here. Apple is negative right now. It's 49 cents. The Dow is negative 15 now. We're down 17 on S&P, and we're down 112 on NASDAQ. Cheers. There we go. Jennifer, my cost for SoFi, 2068. So I wrote the calls. I can bring in any cash I can against what I've lost. I'm going to do that. I imagine today would be freaking miserable for us if we weren't writing. Laugh out loud. Yeah, I can imagine if you're not option writers, you're just watching the markets go down. Not good. Not good. Well done. Credit Savage. So bought back some GameStop 30s this morning for a 150 profit. And right away, wrote some 27s for next week on GameStop. Got 117, and I have a stink bid to buy back now at 51. That's more than 50% in one day. Not bad at all. I agree. Jennifer, that's what I did with mine as well. Went from 1650 average to 8 through covered call writing. Malo, happy birthday, Uncle Bruce. Just for that, you're getting my thumbs ups today. Thank you. DQ, question for the writers. If you had to pick 1 or 2 stocks to write against, what would you choose? I'm in a position to open some new position for call writing. Coyote, a DQ, GameStop, but I'm sure you knew that already. DQ, I write on a lot of things. Want to simplify in a different account. There you go. And it's up to you how you want to do it. Writing against Apple is always a good thing because of the liquidity of Apple contracts. The spreads are usually very tight if you're in and around the money. And you can pick up deep in the money calls on Apple, pick up 120s, 125s. If you're picking up 130s, you got to make sure, that 90-10 rule, though, make sure you get that covered. But you can move into 130s, but keep a sharp eye on Apple and always be writing and always be adjusting your deep in the money calls. Stay ahead of things. Let's see. Mallow, happy birthday to Sobrino Alberto. Sorry, I already gave my thumbs up to Uncle Bruce. Beach Boy Alberto, happy birthday, buddy. If you behave, Uncle Bruce will play Yoko for you. Let's see. Coyote, I also like to write Apple or Google. Second Apple, says Michael. I second that. H. Gregory, oh yeah, happy birthday, Uncle Bruce. In IBM, HPQ, and GameStop, great candidates to write options on. Credit Savage, not bad at all. And if I Buyback tomorrow. I will turn around and sell some 25s for October and see if I can get $2 for them. DQ, can't do poor man cover calls. It's a tax deferred account. Can't do spreads. Gregory, Amazon is at close to lows too. Coyote Alberto, happy birthday, and hope you have a good one. Tiff, DQ, besides GameStop for the premium, I like the idea of buying some boomer stock with a low PE and a dividend just to have something less volatile in my portfolio, even if it means lower premiums. Tiff, HPQ and Intel come to mind. Karim, HBD, Alberta. Happy birthday, Alberto, from Karim. Christina just wrote $25 strikes against that expire tomorrow for 51 cents. Just wrote calls for 51 on GameStop that expire tomorrow. $25 exercise price. We're at 24.80 to 85 at the moment on GameStop. The Dow's up 35 points, not being able to go anywhere. Apple is now up just 2 cents. SoFi down 26. Rocket Lab down 55 cents. HPQ down a dime. Hawkeye saying, happy birthday, gentlemen, Uncle Bruce and Alberto to you both. Thank you all of you for this, for your kind words. I appreciate it. Fantastic. Let's see here. Keeping on top of what's going on. So much happening here at the same time. Welcome one, welcome all to the craziness, the madness, and the fun. Nice to have you here. We have 94 thumbs ups right now. I need 6 more to make it to 100. Thank you all for helping me out and getting me this close to a 100 thumbs ups today. Mirko, Uncle Bruce, you're probably not following it, but ATVI is at 76 right now. They are getting bought by Microsoft at 95. I think till December. Would you buy calls or the stock? Yeah, I really am skeptical when a stock is at a discount to a buyout. There's something not right with this picture. The street knows what it's doing. Something isn't right here. I just don't play these games. I found over the years, since the 70s and the 80s, the takeover business is a deadly game. Sometimes deals get canceled. They get modified. There are legal issues. Sometimes the Justice Department gets in the middle of some of these deals. Unfair Practices Acts and unfair competition. You get foreign governments stepping in with all kinds of investigations. I just don't like deals like this, Mirko. I really avoid them. Christina, hasn't hit smart move or no? Hasn't hit smart move or no? I think it's a smart move. Alberto, thanks all. I'm here having a slice of pizza and ready to write. Christina, if you're talking about your options, those Friday contracts, I like what you're thinking. Coyote, I imagine not many will want to be long over the weekend, but I sort of feel there might be a bull trap relief rally. Michael, too close for my comfort, Christina. Michael can get more for 27s that expire next week. DQ, Michael H, we writing SoFi today? Michael, not today. I missed my shot this morning. Thanks, everybody. Okay, thanks, says Mirko. Christina, Mike, good point. For FL, also, somebody always knows if the deal is a lock, it would be trading much closer. Exactly. How come we're the only ones who know? Cindy, Uncle Bruce, AVCT is only 47 cents a share. I sold over $1. I sold a $1 covered call for January 2025 for 22 cents. Laugh out loud. Wow. Buy it for 47, write a call against it for 22 for $1 all day long and buy more. So if you buy 1,000 shares, that's $470. Bring in $220, buy another 500 shares if you can, and write 5 more calls. Here we go. I mean, 2024, not even 2025. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. That's unbelievable. I mean, you get taken out for $1, you got to be happy, especially if you buy 1,000 and get taken out for 1,500. That's easy money if it happens. Unreal. Michael, where is Deuce? I need to yell at him for buying Rocket Lab. Look at it, 10% down for the love of God. Got to give him crap for that. Deuce, just hide. Hide, Deuce Caboose. They're looking for you. Hide. 24.66 on GameStop. It looks like we're backing up again on GameStop here with the low of 24.38. We're at 24.66. Another down dip is happening right now. The Dow is up 43 points, and S&P down 11, and NASDAQ down 92. That is the deal, and that's where we're at. SoFi 541 down 28. GameStop 2462 dropping again. Let's see. DQ, he's under the bridge, you know. Of course, he's under the bridge. He's hiding. We've got Apple up a nickel. GameStop, the Dow up 39.9. GameStop now 2462, down 224 on the day. I think at 2438, when we were at 2438, were we down over 10%? Could the stock be in a short sale restriction zone? Is that possible? We were down about another 30 cents. I'm wondering if we were right around 10% or not. I don't know. Number 100 thumbs ups from D.A. Shuda. Happy birthday, Bruce. Thank you for being number 100. We've got 101 now in the house, 101 thumbs up. So that is beautiful, everybody. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you for the birthday wishes today. Thank you for PayPal donations, and thank you for super chats. And way to go making money. I'm just loving this. Loving when you guys score dough here. 24.54 on GameStop. We're down again. We're coming into 16 cents from the low of the day here. We're coming in chunks of stock. It's backing off yet again. Way to go scoring some deals. DQ, whenever Deuce says, I just bought whatever, short the heck out of that stuff. Wing Commander, trigger would have been 24.17 apparently for the low of the day and a 10% drop for SSR. Interesting. Coyote, Tiff, yesterday I told him that SoFi had resistance at 570. Then today happened. So he's probably making a voodoo doll of me to punish me for all my lies. DQ, rumor is that rumor is how Nick S picks his short plays. Richard, 24.18 or 17 is SSR. 24.17, 24.18. John Gill, happy birthday, Uncle B and Alberto. KC, happy birthday. Thank you, Mello. I bought back all my GameStop October 7, 31s for 39 cents. I had sold them for $1.80. I am flat and I'm ready to write again. There you go. 24.50 on the stock. 24.48. We are going lower. Coyote DQ, smiling, laughing, crying. We need an inverse Deuce Caboose ETF. Tiff, Coyote, and I said that SoFi wouldn't stay below 6. It wouldn't do it. Look at that. Moon Man Moo. All my small change goes into the ATIP wishing well. That's where that money goes. ATIP wishing well. Right now it is 108 on ATIP, Spire 113. That's where the cheapest stocks are right now. The Dow's up 60 points, Apple up 16 cents, and we're at 24.50 on GameStop, 12 cents away from the low of the day right now. DQ, man, I way overpaid for GameStop yesterday. DH, Uncle Bruce, I bought back my September 23rd, 28th today. My long calls expire 10/21. Do I sell them to roll or hold for a better price? Do I sell them or roll? Okay, I'm a bit confused, DH. Are you sitting on in the money calls for 10/21, or have you written calls at 10/21? You got to help me. Beach Boy, Uncle Bruce, I wrote SoFi. January 2024 covered call strikes $10 for 106. They are down to 81. Should I buy back or should I wait? Euro 10s and the stock's 543. I think you just wait and just chill. You're ahead $250 if you did 10 of them. I don't know how many you wrote, but they're down to 81. Again, if you've got a bunch of them and it's money, you could look to buy back, but you could also just sit back here. This market is not going anywhere. We're only up 48 on the Dow. SoFi is 542 at the moment. What can I say? There could be 20, 30 more cents of downside on SoFi. When will it take off? I don't know. Is it cheap? Yes, it is. But, I don't know what to say on that. John Jewett, birthday blessings to you. Thank you, DQ. Come on, Fidelity. Approve my options level in that account. Coyote, I remember getting exercised at $39 strike on GameStop. I remember getting exercised at 39. BZ, been busy lately, but happy birthday, Bruce. Thank you, BZ. DH, I'm sitting on 21.25 expiring 10.21 for poor man covered calls. Oh, okay. So you got 21.25. Keep writing. Keep writing on those calls. Make money off of those calls. DQ, laugh out loud, Goaty. Yeah, my 27.5 assignments look pretty good right now there. How about that? Splair, wasn't it better to write 2023 calls on SoFi? I received 104 for a contract. Nothing wrong with that. Wayne Commander, my annual bonus arrives tomorrow. Can this bloodbath go on for a few more days, please? FL 10s for 2024 is really far out and quite high. I would just roll down and in. Beach Boy, 70s. I got 70 covered calls. So we're up right now on 70 calls. He is ahead at least 25 cents on 70. That's $1,750 in profit. That's not bad. We're 541 on the stock here. Obviously, you're way out of the money. But with a down dip here, the low of 536, they're 542 right now. Look, I mean, you might want to put in a 76 stink bid. Maybe you'll get hit at 76. They got to go through 81 and 80. They may well do that, and they'll come to you. Are you in a hurry to buy back? No. You get them a little lower, you'll make that much more. Another $350 for a nickel. I mean, every penny for Beach Boy is $1 a contract. That's $70 a penny for every penny they drop off on the contracts. Looking good. Zed, I can write, what is this? I can write on 8 contracts on GameStop. So we write today. Zed wants to know, do we write today? We're 24.72. If you can write 26s for next week, you might want to take a look at those. Jimmy, happy birthday boy. Thank you, Jimmy Wilkes. Constantine just bought 100 more GameStop, writing 1 extra contract now. Thank you, Uncle Bruce. Coyote, Zed, I am personally waiting. I don't like writing on days this ugly. It's not that ugly on the markets, but for GameStop, it's finally got a dip here. 24.69, 24.66. So, maybe a little pop up. You'll get get a nice premium. Watch for depreciation. Let's see what happens. 542 SoFi, 438 on Rocket Lab, down 53 cents. What a day. What a day today. We're up 39 on the Dow. We're down 11 on S&P, down 92 on NASDAQ. Oil up 55 cents at the moment. That's what I see happening here, folks. An interesting day yet again. Very, very interesting day. Okay. 24.74, little pop up on GameStop. Might be an opportunity to write a call. Keep an eye. FL, today is not that ugly. Indexes are all under 1% in the red. Dow is actually green. Exactly. It's not an ugly day on the markets, but for GameStop, it's been an interesting day. Yes, for that one stock and Rocket Lab, it's been a interesting day for those two guys. And then, of course, the Ape Preferreds, they're down 38 cents to 360. Yuck. Not good there. Smart Rent down 22 to 248. Not great either. And what else we got? Tesla down $10 today. Tesla is sitting at $289, down $11 today. Very interesting. All right. Yeah, GameStop is ugly today, though. Gaudi, yeah, that's what I meant on GameStop. Keep writing. DQ. Oh, and Snow, because I covered my short at 7, higher than where it is, of course. There you go. FL volume is also under average on the Dow. There it is. Quieter day today. Home Depot down $2. Robinhood down 20 cents. Vanik down $4. IBM up $1. Microsoft holding a 350 gain. Goldman down 7 to 313. Google up 113. Amazon down 70. Meta Platforms up 168 today. Yeah. Very interesting. NVIDIA down $6 to 126. Disney down 194 to 102.50. American Airlines down 54 cents to 12.69. And Moderna down $1, 124.76. Okay, that's it. We're only up 19 on the Dow now. We're down to 16 minutes to go. We're only up 19 on the Dow Jones. It's backing off again. All right. Beach Point, the 76 stink bid is loaded, my friend. I've got it in there. Let's see what happens. Wayne Commander, with the profits from today, I'm trying to get another strike $10 January 25 One more call to right. Who is trying to stink bid at 1610 here? Is anybody doing that here? Who's doing that? Who's trying to bid 1610? DQ, I wrote Moderna's 125 too early. Well, if it goes down, it goes down. There you go. Zed, Coyote GameStop is not working out. Does it? Does it not? No, it is Uncle Bruce's birthday. I mean, come on. It's got to deliver the goods here on his birthday. 24.78 on GameStop. A little pop higher, you can write. Pop lower, you buy him back. It's just that simple. All right, Tiff, Wing Commander, that's my stink bid. 1610, that's me. I'm trying to buy these. Join me. Oh my, trying to make money. 24.80 to 24.87 now on GameStop. There might be a little pop for some of you guys to try to write some calls for a nice premium. 26s for next Friday, maybe something like that. 27s for the Friday after that, perhaps. Maybe they'll pop up a little for you. You can bring in some money. The Dow up 44, just popped up a little bit. Apple up a dime. 24.87 on GameStop. We are still down 10 on S&P and NASDAQ down 86. We have 15 minutes left in the day today. FL can't be both up and down at the same time. Some folks want to write, others want to buy back. Oh my gosh, we got all kinds of activity here, in and out and in, and around we go. 24.93 on the GameStop with an attempted little pop up again, trying to get to 25, and that offers opportunities to write 26s and 27s. That's how this game is played. Just right out of the money calls for time premium only. 542 on SoFi, down 27 cents. SoFi is just kind of meandering here. It was just a little higher a little while ago. Just can't do it. There's no rally showing there at the moment. 36.3 million so far on SoFi. We'll see how it performs. Dow up 69 points now, trying a little rally, up 22 on Apple, 24.95 and 24.93 to 24.95 on GameStop. HBQ down 6 cents, trying to come back to break even. Hawkeye, GameStop, 18 calls, 10.722, 26.50 at 119. So Hawkeye, I'm going to guess, has written October 7 calls for 26.50 strike price for 119. I like it. $1.55 out of the money, $1.19 money in her hand. Right here at 119. Thank you very much. We say a DQ bull trap tomorrow. I don't know. We have volatility, I think. That's what we got. 24.96 GameStop. The lower it goes, the more you make on contract rights. The higher it goes, the higher the premiums you can bring in on contract rights. And away we go. The fluctuations are there. That's what's going on. The Dow's up 80. Apple up 44 cents. GameStop, 24.96, 24.97 right there. Christina, I changed it to 54 cents for the $25 that expired tomorrow. Just sold them. I got 54 for the $25 contracts. They expire tomorrow. All right. This is going to be fun. Going to be fun. We'll see how that one works out. 24.93 on GameStop right now. That was up 101. And SoFi 542, Apple up 59 cents. There you go. We have lots to watch and lots to follow. HBQ 25.96 down 3 cents. Right there. What else we got here? Splitter. All right. I leave you all already slowly and steady. Good night. And by the way, happy birthday to Alberto as well. Exactly, Splitter. Thanks for all your best wishes. Have a great night over there. Enjoy, my friend. We will see you tomorrow for option expiry. Have a relaxed night or start into the weekend tomorrow. Larry Titus, hi all. I am number 109 on the thumbs up meter now. We have got 111, as a matter of fact, joining Larry. 111 thumbs ups. You guys are awesome. Thank you for getting us into triple digits yet again. Appreciate it, everybody. We're getting ready to close in about 11 minutes. We're up 87 on the Dow, 24.94 on GameStop. Apple holding a 40-cent gain. SoFi 542 down 26 cents. Now 543 on SoFi. Rocket Lab down 54. HBQ down 6. We've got AMC and APE together down 110. ME down 15. Matterport down 6 cents. It's coming back on to 386. ATIP down 2.5. Smart Rent down 21 at 249.5. Spire down 1 red penny. Cyxtera, 12 cent drop today, 444, up from its lows of the day. A Bed Bath Beyond down 9. Tesla down 978. Pfizer up 87 cents. Boeing down 337. Cisco down 13 at the moment. We've got the market showing on the Dow now, 105 gain, another little pop. 51-cent gain on Apple, 191 drop on GameStop, 24.95. Zed, I wrote for GameStop 27s that expire September 30 for 65 cents. Took in $260. Let's see what happens. Christina, whoops, I hit the thumbs up. Cindy, Uncle Bruce, this stock is not 47 cents, but 31 cents. And someone is paying me 20 cents to buy it for $1. Take that offer. Take that offer. Constantine, 113 thumbs ups. Thank you, Constantine. Cindy, keep buying that stuff. Buy the stock, write the options, buy more stock with the proceeds, and write more options. And let them take you out at $1 on the whole enchilada. That would be lovely. 59-point gain on the Dow. We just dropped a bunch. Apple down 4 cents, just dropped a bunch. What's going on? I don't know. We got GameStop 24.86. We're backing off quickly on GameStop. 542 again on SoFi. Sell wave is coming in with 9 minutes left in the day. That seems to be what's going on. Apple in the red, down 7. 24.86 GameStop. 541 on SoFi at this moment in time with 9 minutes left in the session. Never a dull moment, isn't it? 24.86, 24.87 on GameStop. So much for the rally, trying to get back to 25. Didn't happen at this moment. We're down to 8 to 9 minutes left to go in our day here. The Dow now up 28 points. S&P down 13. NASDAQ down 97. Oil up 54 cents right there. And we will... we have FedEx releasing earnings and talking about cutting expenses. There's a slowdown happening in the U.S. economy, and it's in the delivery side for sure, which means commerce is backing off. There's no doubt about it. The Fed seems to be getting what they want. We'll see if that helps with inflation. That's the catch. 24.84 to 24.90 on GameStop. 5.40 on SoFi. Just dropped a couple of pennies here. Beach Boy, keep an eye on those bid asks. See what happens. Splair, I see the only thing that didn't move amazingly is my Cardano, my coin. All the others are moving more than usual, so it would call at that price the safest way to gain 2% a year for nothing. Alberto Splair, thank you for the kind wishes, buddy. Thank you. 153.52 for Apple, down 21 cents now. The Dow only up 32. GameStop 24.90 to 92. SoFi 540.41. Rocket Lab 436 down 56 cents. HPQ 25.87 down 13 cents. A little selling seems to be coming in at the moment at the end of the day right now. Pfizer holding an 80-cent gain. Tesla dropping 10.76 is the dip now for Tesla. Cisco down 22, Boeing down 374 at the moment. Home Depot down 214. Okay, that's it. That's what we're watching. Even Moderna down $1.06 to 124.70. There you go. Alrighty, 22-point gain on the Dow. A little slippage here coming into the end. 7 minutes to go. Down 28 on Apple, a reversal from a gain to a loss. GameStop 24.89.90 now. 540 on SoFi, falling again. Wing Commander, I predict Microsoft to go up before September the 30th. This is the end of the quarter. It typically rises, yeah, but their margins are shrinking, and they're losing overseas sales because of the strength of the U.S. dollar. It may not be so good after all. Spare TV is saying, you're welcome, Alberto. DQ, I imagine Alberto being like Scrooge McDuck, swimming in his money in his vault. He's laughing at that one. LL, number 123 on the thumbs up meter, Bruce. Thank you, LL, for that. We got 125 thumbs ups for the afternoon show here. You guys are awesome. 6 minutes to go, and they're coming in still. Thank you for pushing these higher. I appreciate the thumbs ups. Tiff, DQ, images in my head. Oh, images. The Dow now negative 1.8 points. Apple down 35. GameStop 24.91. Look at SoFi 5.39, down another penny. Michael, happy birthday, Alberto, and happy 40th birthday to Bruce. Thank you so much for the 30th birthday wishes. Wouldn't that be something? The Dow down now up 1.4 points, 2 points or so. Apple down 37. Ooh, Apple just went red, down 7.5. We're down to 5 minutes to go, and there's a sell wave coming in at the end of the day here. We're down 7 on Apple. Sorry, 37 on Apple, 7.5 on the Dow. GameStop 24.84, just dropped 6 cents. The Dow's down 43 now. Another drop. Apple down 67. GameStop down 202 to 24.84. Down goes GameStop. 5.38 on SoFi. Another penny lower on SoFi. Those of you writing calls are watching those carefully, I am sure. Rocket Lab 436 down 56. HPQ down 20. Alberto, Mike, thank you. DQ 40. That's like 948,400 dong, isn't it? Christina, happy birthday, Uncle B. We are so thankful for you and your willingness to teach us the next generation. Right on, guys. DQ, miss you, Colin D. Says DQ. Michael, there you go. We are down 61 on the Dow at the moment. Apple down 79 cents. GameStop 24.79, dropping again. 5.38 on SoFi, dropping again. Another penny. Interesting. Who cares says, happy birthday, Uncle Bruce Coyote. S&P is slipping. DQ. Wow, Cisco is off the cliff. The Dow off 62 now. 24.78 on GameStop. 5.38 on SoFi. Cisco 41.26 down. 33 centinos. That's it. 11.60 loss on Tesla. 52-point drop on the Dow Jones. We're into 4 minutes in the session. That's what we got left to go. 76-cent drop on Apple again. 152.96 on Apple. Okay. 24.81 on GameStop. 5.38 on SoFi. Rocket Lab down 57. HPQ down 20. All right. Uncle Bruce, how much dong did you get for your birthday today? Inquiring listeners want to know. I haven't had time to add it up. I honestly don't know. I think there, with Beach Boys, a fabulous contribution, and Alberto being as generous as always, definitely the steak dinner is paid for tonight because Jen and I are heading out with Jen Jr. and her boyfriend and a few other friends, and so we're getting together for a nice dinner tonight, one of our favorite restaurants in town, and definitely going to have a lovely meal. And because of you guys, it's going to be covered tonight. So thank you all. This is beautiful. Michael is saying, I need a petition to rename to Down Jones. Dude, you have to use a capital letter dong, otherwise it's creepy. FL, my feeling is that investors still don't quite believe Jay Powell. He said we're ramping up rates higher and higher, yet all I hear and read from experts is, when will the Fed pivot? Debbie Bonner, Debbie Bonner, happy birthday. Hi, Debbie. Thank you. Dude, DQ, LOL, my apologies. We're down to 2 minutes, 46-point drop on the Dow, 57 cents on Apple. We're down to 24.75 now on GameStop. SoFi 5.38, it looks like, or so. And Rocket Lab down 58 cents. HPQ down 23. Down we go a little bit by a little bit. What else is happening here? DQ. Okay, I made coffee come out of my own nose when Bruce read that. Oh my, 24.73 on GameStop. We're not at the low of the day. That was 24.38, but we are off today. $2.13 a share. So wow. 538 down 32 cents on SoFi. A couple of days in a row of down dipping here, well under 6 again. And a Beach Boy is saying, hey, Larry, instead of ringing the bells in a minute, could you just jump out of the birthday cake for Uncle Bruce and Alberto? Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. What can I say? Thank you, Anton. You're awesome, buddy. I appreciate that for that PayPal donation. Zed Estate, hey, pal, thank you for this donation. Happy birthday, Uncle Bruce. Thanks, pal. Appreciate those super chats. Nice photo of that Beamer of yours. DQ, instead of bells, just have a moment of silence for the market. We're down to, there's no time. It's over. There it is. Lair, you've done the deed. We're done for the day. It's all over. And what a day it was. 117-point drop on the Dow. It dropped at the end quickly. Lost $1 on Apple here on the day. 24.64 on GameStop. Another dip. Thank you, Deborah Bonner. Thank you, Deborah, for that. For your kind donation on PayPal. You are wonderful. Thank you. Larry, there's birthday cake for everybody. Alberto's laughing. DQ, thank you, Larry. Dude, it's a dong day here on the stock markets with Bruce. Larry, Coyote Larry beat me to it with those cakes. He beat me to it. Thank you all so much for just everything. You guys are great. Let's see. Wing Commander, thanks, Uncle Bruce, for guiding us through the mayhem. Have a great birthday, DQ. I think Birdie's laughing at my dong. Coyote, another successful bull trap executed to perfection. Michael, we all are. Touch grass, good game. Manuel, Ruben D. DeCellis, happy B-Day. Thank you for this $49.99 donation. Ho, ho, ho. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Have a great night, everybody, says Constantine. Happy birthday again, Uncle Bruce and Alberto. Enjoy your dinner tonight, Uncle B. DQ, Mike H. Indeed. Thank you, guys. Very much appreciate it. Manuel, thank you, pal. Thank you. Really. That's cool. Really nice super chat. I love those pink ones. Fabulous, everybody. Thank you for these PayPal donations and super chats and best wishes, thumbs ups, everything. And I just love the fact you guys are making money. That's the number one thing. 139 thumbs ups. Look at that. That's pushing 150 here for the afternoon show. Thank you guys so much for pushing it. Love it. Loving it. Are you going to get a porterhouse tonight? I haven't decided. I've got to decide when we look at the menu and how we feel. And but I think there's a steak in the wheelhouse tonight. Definitely, there's going to be a steak. We'll see which one. And then head her home and get some shut eye and get ready for tomorrow. Option expiry tomorrow, guys. Oh boy, we're working. We have more money to be made. 24.63 last trade on GameStop that I saw during the market hours, showing 24.81 in the after hours. Don't believe that for a minute. The Dow lost 107 when it was all said and done. Bone-in ribeye, says DQ. Alberto, be careful, Beach Boy will get jealous. Coyote, damn, 19 months, that's wild to read to me for some reason. Michael, don't fall for the Tomahawk scam. Tiff, Rocket Lab volume was 240%. Not bad. Wayne Commander, Uncle Bruce chugging down a beer. Now that I'd love to see that, dude. Only salad for Uncle Bruce. We got to keep that ticker healthy. DQ, I think once mark to market hits in the morning, I will actually be cash positive in my account. Been a while, says DQ. Michael saying nice. Enjoy the steaks, Blair saying will do, my friends. We will have some cow tonight. And the Steelers win tonight, cherry on top. Wouldn't that be lovely? That helped me a lot. That would be a good thing. We'll see how that works out. All right, kids, have a great evening. I'm going to try and do the same. Got to get rolling here. Got a few things to take care of. Thank you, everybody, for a wonderful day today. Couldn't have asked for more. Thank you all. And get the John Goodman steak, the 76er DQ. Michael, they played last week. I'll accept a 0-0 tie. Dude, just kidding, Uncle Bruce. You can splurge. Mirko, I guess There'll be a lot of stories today about you crazy viewers, or is that a tube forbidden topic? Bobby from Great Outdoor Movie. Michael, okay, just cover. Wing, Oktoberfest is going on right now. Didn't you play at the Wiesen, Uncle Bruce and Beach Boy? Uncle Bruce, are you wasted? Uncle Bruce, are you wasted already? What's with these hiccups? No, I'm fine. John, thanks everybody. Didn't you play at the Wiesen, Uncle B? I don't know what that means. I did play Oktoberfest back in the 70s, but it's 50, almost 50 years, 40 plus years ago, I played Oktoberfest music for money. 21, 22 years old. My gosh, 45 years ago. Yeah. I remember making $200 a night playing Oktoberfest music back in the day when my rent was 173 a month. The rent was 173 a month, and I was making 200 a night. Think about what you get paid, what you pay for rent now. Multiply that by 12, playing music every evening. Can you get that kind of money? I couldn't get that kind of money today. I bet you there are musicians playing Oktoberfest for 200 a night now, and they're paying what, $1,000 a month rent, $1,500 a month rent. Unbelievable. Things have changed. Wiesen is equal to Oktoberfest. Wing, this is how folks roll in Munich. DQ, Uncle Bruce, how much money? How much for you to play Oopapa music live on stream? Not going to happen. It's just not going to happen. Yeah, there you go. Ooh, says Michael. Yeah, making 200 a night when you pay 173 rent for an apartment. Yeah. Making 2,000 a night when you're paying 1,700 in rent. Now there's a relation. Can you imagine doing that for 10 straight nights? 20 grand in 10 nights. I don't think so. Flint Creek, I would pay to see Uncle Bruce playing polka music. DQ, darn it, Wing Commander, we will all throw our hat into the ring, Uncle Bruce. There you go. Thank you, but no thank you. All righty. Folks, good night to all of you from around the planet. Thank you so much. Best wishes, Alberto, on your birthday. Thank you for being a great viewer and a great tipper. And thank you, all of you, for these donations and everything else. Have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow morning, first thing. Let's get going. I played bass guitar and I played rhythm guitar when I did the Oompa music many decades ago. Oh my gosh. Enjoy birthday evening, Uncle Bruce and Alberto. Thank you, Coyote. Thank you, everybody. Have a pleasant evening. We'll see you tomorrow morning. First thing, let's get going and make some more moolah. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.